DC, over voltage of over low voltage protection. When indoor unit displays P1, which indicates over voltage or over low voltage protection, malfunction decision conditions. An abnormal voltage rise or drop is detected by checking the specified voltage detection circuit. The failure could be caused by 1. Power supply error. 2. System leakage or block. 3. Faulty PCB. Check whether the voltage is normal. If the voltage is abnormal, stop the unit. If the voltage is normal, check whether the power wires of the terminal in, indoor unit and signal wires are good. If not, correct the connections or replace the wires. After confirmation that the wire is good, when the unit is in standby model, check if the voltage between P and N is around 310 volts. Then start up the unit and the compressor starts to running. Measure the voltage between P and N and see if it's within 220 volts to 400 volts. If the voltage is abnormal, replace the outdoor main PCB. After the maintenance above, there could be two cases. If the voltage is normal, check the wiring of the reactor. If the wire is well connected, measure the resistance value of the reactor. The normal value should be around 0 to 1 ohm. If not, replace a new reactor. If the error still exists, replace the outdoor main board.